In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset Expedia password. Let's get started by opening your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type Expedia and review the results carefully. You want to make sure you're heading to the official site, so look for the result that clearly shows expedia.com in the URL. This helps you avoid lookalike sites and ensures your information stays secure. Click the official link to open the Expedia homepage. Once the site loads, look toward the top right corner of the page and click Sign In. A small panel or page will appear prompting you to access your account. Go ahead and sign in with your current details. If the interface looks a little different, that's okay. Expedia's layout can vary slightly by region, but the key controls are still in the top right area. After you're signed in, click your profile icon or your account name at the top right. This opens your account menu. From there, select Account or My Profile. Both typically take you to the same place where you can manage your personal information and security settings. On the account page, look for a navigation panel or menu, usually on the left side. Find the section labeled Settings or Account Management. This area contains your security options, including your password. Click into it to access the controls you need. Next, locate the password section, which is where you can update your credentials. You'll generally be asked to enter your current password, followed by your new password, and then confirm the new one. Take a moment to choose a strong password that's unique to Expedia. Combining uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols is a good practice. Avoid using personal details like birthdays or simple patterns. If you use a password manager, now's a great time to save the new password so you don't forget it. After entering your details, save or update the changes. Some accounts may prompt a quick security check, such as a verification code sent to your email to confirm it's really you making the change. Complete that if requested. When everything is updated, you may see a confirmation message indicating your password was successfully changed. If you don't see the change right away, refresh the page or sign out and sign back in using your new password. And if you're ever unable to access your account to begin with, look for the Forgot Password option on the sign-in screen to receive a reset link by email. That's it. Your Expedia password is now updated and your account is more secure.